Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add a Canva website template to Google Sites easy Canva tutorial. So if you have already designed a template on Canva and you want to go ahead and embed it onto your Google site, then you're onto the right guide. So first, just head on to the Google site first, and then you could open a template or a blank site that you want to go ahead and embed your template. So let's open something in here. So as you can see, we're already in here. And if you've noticed, there is an embed option here onto the right side corner of the screen under insert. So this is where we could go ahead and embed our code. So you'll just have to click onto that. And then right after, head on to embed code. And this is where we're going to paste the code that we've gathered from Canva. So let's just go ahead onto our Canva account first. Since we're already on Canva's website, we'll just need to pull out our template first. So for us to be able to begin, so just open your design if you have one already. And since I don't have one onto my end, let's open a template. So we have websites in here. Let's click onto that. And then right after, we could go ahead and choose onto the different options that are available, or you could go ahead and start from scratch. Just go ahead and choose this website so that you could create from blank. Now, if you've noticed here onto the left side, there are a lot of options to choose from. So feel free to use the different free templates that are offered by Canva. Just go ahead and customize this so that you could go ahead and make use onto the templates on your own. So if you want to use a template, just go ahead and click onto that. And then there is an option for you to apply all of those templates onto your pages. Now, once you have this one already, what we need to do to embed the code for this, just click onto share onto the upper right corner of the screen. And then right after, you'll just have to scroll down in here and then click onto more. Here on more, you should be able to find in the option to embed it. Click onto that one and then click onto embed again. Right after, you should be able to find it in here, the HTML embed code. Just simply copy that one out, and this is what we're going to paste onto our Google site. So let's paste this one in here. And then right after, let's click onto next. You're gonna see a quick preview onto your design. You'll just have to click onto insert right after, and you should be able to find in your design already added. So feel free to resize it, make it bigger so that it should fit your page on Google site. And that is just basically it, how you add a Canva website template to Google site. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.